The moon has captivated humanity for millennia, a luminous orb hanging in the night sky, stirring imaginations and inspiring myths. Its silvery glow has guided travelers, influenced tides, and served as a canvas for poets and dreamers alike. Yet, beneath its familiar facade lies an intriguing question that has sparked curiosity and speculation. Is the moon an artificial satellite? This notion, while often dismissed as a fringe theory, invites exploration into its origins and the implications of such an idea. To understand the theory of the moon as an artificial construct, one must first delve into the prevailing scientific consensus regarding its formation. The most widely accepted explanation is the giant impact hypothesis, suggesting that the moon formed from debris ejected into orbit after a Mars-sized body, often referred to as Theia, collided with the early Earth. Over billions of years, this debris coalesced into the moon we know today. This theory elegantly accounts for the moon's size, its orbit, and its composition, which shares similarities with Earth's crust. However, the allure of the moon as an artificial satellite arises from its peculiarities, characteristics that some argue do not fit neatly into conventional explanations. For instance, the moon's orbit is almost perfectly circular, and it is the right size and distance from Earth to create total solar eclipses, a phenomenon that seems almost too coincidental. Additionally, the moon's surface is pockmarked with craters, yet it has a relatively low density, leading some to speculate about the possibility of hollow spaces within. Could these features be the result of intelligent design rather than natural processes? As the question of the moon's origins lingers, the implications of it being artificial unfurl like a cosmic tapestry. If the moon were indeed an artificial satellite, what would that mean for humanity? The ramifications would be profound, reshaping our understanding of history, our place in the universe, and the nature of intelligence itself. Imagine a scenario where the moon was constructed by an advanced civilization, perhaps an extraterrestrial race, or a lost human civilization with technology far beyond our current capabilities. This civilization could have placed the moon in orbit as a means of observation, or as a stabilizing force for Earth's climate and environment. Such a revelation could ignite a renaissance of scientific inquiry, prompting humanity to re-evaluate its history and the timeline of intelligent life in the cosmos. The implications extend beyond the scientific realm, reaching into philosophy and spirituality. The moon has long been a symbol of mystery and the unknown, representing the depths of human curiosity. If it were proven to be artificial, would that diminish its beauty? Or would it enhance our appreciation for the artistry of its creators? Would we view the night sky with a sense of wonder? Or would it provoke existential questions about our own origins and the nature of life? The idea of being watched or guided by an unseen intelligence could evoke fear or inspire a sense of connection to something greater than ourselves. Throughout history, numerous cultures have attributed divine significance to the moon. In many ancient societies, it was revered as a deity, a celestial being that governed the rhythms of life. The Greeks called it Selene, while the Romans named it Luna. The moon has been a muse for countless artists, its phases symbolizing the cycles of life, death, and rebirth. If it were revealed to be artificial, would these cultural narratives be rendered obsolete? Or could they be reinterpreted as reflections of humanity's innate yearning for connection with the cosmos? The inquiry into the moon's origins has also inspired conspiracy theories, echoing the sentiments of those who feel that established scientific narratives are insufficient to explain the complexities of our universe. Some theorists propose that the moon was created by an alien civilization as a monitoring station, observing humanity's progress. This idea, while rooted in speculation, reflects a broader desire to find meaning in our existence. The allure of extraterrestrial life and the possibility of cosmic neighbors has long been a topic of fascination, and the notion of the moon as an artificial construct feeds into this narrative. In the age of technology and space exploration, The idea of the moon as an artificial satellite has gained traction among certain circles. With the advent of advanced telescopes and space missions, humanity has begun to uncover the moon's secrets. The recent discoveries of water ice in its polar regions and the presence of unusual geological formations have only fueled speculation. Could these be signs of past activity or remnants of an artificial construction? As scientists continue to probe the moon's surface, the quest for answers becomes increasingly urgent. The implications of such a discovery would not only challenge our understanding of the moon, but also prompt a re-evaluation of our own technological capabilities. If the moon is indeed artificial, what does that say about the potential for humanity to create its own celestial bodies in the future? The concept of terraforming planets or moons has been a topic of science fiction for decades, but the realization that such feats may have already been accomplished by another civilization could ignite a new era of exploration and ambition. As humanity stands on the brink of interplanetary travel, the moon serves as a stepping stone to the stars. The Artemis program aims to return humans to the lunar surface, establishing a sustainable presence and paving the way for missions to Mars. In this context, the question of the moon's origins takes on new significance. If it is artificial, what lessons can we learn from its design? What technologies might we develop by studying its structure? The moon could become a laboratory for innovation, a place where we learn not only about ourselves, but also about the potential for life beyond Earth. Yet the question remains, why would an advanced civilization create such a satellite? Theories abound, ranging from the practical to the philosophical. Perhaps it was a means of stabilization, ensuring that Earth remained a hospitable environment. Or maybe it was a beacon, a signal to other civilizations in the galaxy. The motivations could be as varied as the stars themselves, each hypothesis inviting further exploration and inquiry. In the end, the moon, whether natural or artificial, serves as a mirror reflecting humanity's deepest questions and aspirations. It challenges us to look beyond our own existence, to ponder the mysteries of the universe, and to seek connections with the unknown. The allure of the moon lies not only in its physical presence, but also in the stories it inspires, the questions it raises, and the dreams it ignites. As we gaze up at the moon, we are reminded of our place in the cosmos, of the vastness that surrounds us, and the mysteries that lie beyond our reach. Whether it is a natural satellite formed from the chaos of the early solar system, or an artificial construct created by an advanced civilization, the moon remains a symbol of wonder. It invites us to explore, to question, and to dream, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge is an endless journey, one that may lead us to the stars or back to our own origins. The moon, in all its enigmatic glory, continues to inspire humanity, a beacon of hope and curiosity in the infinite expanse of the universe.